As I just walk out, God say my come meet you.
God.
Yes.
Okay.
Because you get one revelation where I say come for that. I beg, my ask you.
Yeah.
You give me 5,000 naira. I beg, no bless me.
So God send you to me
Now you be my
to
Solomon
borrow
now.
5,000. No problem. My brother, I don't have. Tell God that if you give me, I will give. But now I don't have.
Wait. As today, so you not carry 5,000 naira where you go to this?
Shebi you say na God send you.
Eh?
I don't have now.
No. You go give me 5,000 naira. Now me only 5,000 naira.
Thank you. The 5,000 naira not be only because I don't have it.
You don't have it.
Yeah.
I never told you I don't want to bet a whole big boy like you.
What did you just say?
A whole big boy like you just walk and you don't carry 5,000.
There is nothing like a homie. Am I Cubana? Am I Chief Priest? Am I Quizzy Nippon? Who am I? A homie. Who is me? Who know me? Who I even know? From who know me? From the who that know the
Who there your mouth?
No a homie. My brother, go and sit down. If you don't, you are a very come on, go and sit down.
A
A homie. Am I Cubana? Am I
Your
Chief
sleepers,
Priest? Am I Quizzy Nippon? You know
you
they say this one where they throw away money. Only beggar they come and keep instead of cow.
Oga, close
A
your
homie. I know be a hoe.
They go. You see your trouser. See it here?